अखोई हंडक की वन कनो से बजट सेशन से नॉर्मली अखोई सेशन पार्लियामेंट की सेशन अहुंगी मनुंगा ख्वाइदे की सांग सेशन हाई तारे को मरक रिसेस मसाम से लौरगा तवे दाइदा पार्लियामेंट तौगी मरुइबा हिरम सिंह खन्ना नैनगी बगी मतांग मयामनसु अदुम फॉलो तौबिरंगदेन खाली क्वेश्चन आइना रेज तौखिबा खोखिबा important amna oina khanba pot khara issue khara anduga parliament ki matung da tholakpa akoi gi issue khara ga aina miyam da su khanghona ba haitare ko miyam da soina communicate tawna ba ina press briefing se koi office na tawra sinjabani aina ngasi maruina thamjagado wafam se अखोई मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट की मागी बेसिक फंक्शन से हम मयामना बुद्धि हन्ना खंगबीरा वानी को लेजिस्लेटिव ओवरसाइट फंक्शन है एग्जीक्यूटिव न तौबा गवर्नमेंट न तौबा न लेंगांग न तौबा सिदा करी नो नोइना तौरी से करी तौग्रे कमाई तौग्रे न हाइब अमसुंग नत्रगा न प्रेशर पी बाय तारे थ्रू डिबेट एंड अदर्स मोइदा प्रेशर पी बा थबक से तोहनबा नत्रगा हंगबा वहंग हंग से याम इंपोर्टेंट नोइबा पोट अम ओय एग्जीक्यूटिव अदुगा मसीगा सागोनना पार्लियामेंट की मपानदसु अखोइगी सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर स्कीम ले अखोइगी लंबी थोंगी इसिंग नोंगाई मरम लेदना को अदे हेल्थ का मरी लेनबा लाइंग संग मरी लेनबा गवर्नमेंट इंडियागी स्कीम अचो मयाम करोड़ रोड मयाम थादबसिगी अखोई मियां मणिपुर मियां पुनम मसी खंगम थोए अखोई से अवेयर खरा ओइदब माले अखोई डिस्कशन मीटिंग तौकान थोलकपनी को ऑफिसर्स सिंह हाइरकपनी लेरिबे स्कीम सिंह से करी करी नो हाइबना चिंगसिगी मॉनिटरिंग कमिटी अमा लेबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल डेवलपमेंट एंड मॉनिटरिंग कमिटी दिशा कमिटी को मसीगी चेयरमैन से अखोई एमपी नो ओए मान एमपी नो ओरगा अखोई कंसर्न डिस्ट्रिक्ट तुगी डीसी ना डिप्यूटी कमिश्नर ना कन ओइबा member secretary oiraga official mayamna present tawrese karora suk tawba project ni si father gre si tawgre haibina singsi sigi meeting nam to do khoina disa meeting ka ya dusu ai handak ahum mak agi district ahum sigi loisan jagre ba gi first round hai tare mamangi financial year gi meeting ama silahore madaina thengna rakhi ba pot adusu aina miyam da tamjaning sisu ngasai gi legislative oversight function sai sarkar na tawbe yengjan monitor tawbudune ising pigre hai si pibra adagi kano ising pigre hai ba si pirabra natragana kano mai samme se samabra lambi sare se sarabra hai bin sing se loina tholakadori neba aikoi disa committee sida ko adugi post aina अरत मैम द तमजनिंग बा अर मरु इन पार्लियामेंट यामना क्वेश्चन से आई याम आई तेन ग्रब मतम सिदा हाई तार मैम से तुम थिवियो मेंबर अमना आई चही फाद्री को आलो क्वेश्चन कया हंगरे पार्लियामेंट करी करी क्वेश्चन हंगरे दुम मैम दुम थिवियो नेशनल एवरेज दगी दुम वांगलप न थेंगगनी आई वन ऑफ द एमपीज question I did as I my matodang pangto pai tare question hangu ko pasuga aduda aina hangjigi pa question gi experience khara ai parliament de han hauserake question sing du gi mari leina bada ai khoi gi hoji oiri ba phibam ga ya thina maru oiba pot miyam na khanna naina ga tabam sung laingak ta pressure pi ga ba issue khara su yaw akhoi na sum khangjan na dana sum leiraga di yaroi do and ihan ham se yam immediate oi ba khoi gi president rule matang sida ai samlap pakhata mayam sen khangbe ni president rule se parliament na han ratify taw di yade thani manungda parliament na approve taw matungda yare hai ka na sana doni natraga di lapse taw doni thani manungda parliament da manipur gi puthor krista ai puning ko yamna nungsi jaba ahinga maina session se loira tholak pada aina khanjaba hai tare ton yum ahing pung ahum ga ta ba dai mayam na di kai emotional oi kan khalam ba ya ara ai di miyam na sa haibam thu e na khal miyam si khangmam thu e de ken अहमद मणिपुर की पोस्ट से पुथोरकनी प्रेसिडेंट की पोस्ट से पुथोरकनी अप्रूवल डिस्कशन तौरगा डिबेट तौरगा पार्लियामेंट अप्रूव तौगदब पोटनी ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी हाइगरा ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी बुद्धि नत्रे मोइगे कोलिएशन लेनरिबनिना मोइना बुद्धि अदुम अप्रूव तौनी पार्लियामेंट दुम पास तौदौ लेलमनि खंगे अदुइ मथक्ता ऑपोजिशन नसु दुम बाय एंड लार्ज प्रेसिडेंट रूल से सपोर्ट तौरकनी हाइब खंगे अदु खितंग खन्न नैनबगी मतम से सांगना फंगद्रा आइना हाइबदा पुंग अमा खक्तनेब पिरेस पुंग अमा खक्तंग पिरकपसदा आइना पुंगिंग नाम नुसिजबा हाइतारेको कयाम इम्पोर्टेंट ओइना लौरिब जानो खोइ मणिपुर की इशू सिबो खंजबदो अइगोन अहमद पुथोरकनी हागा हप्ता अमनी से पुथोरक्तरे लिस्ट दे दुम थोलकनी आई से मेंटली प्रिपेयर तो लमनम सिगी एमपी ने प्रिपेयर तो खोलुगाइन हादगी कोई ऑफिशियल चैनल दा अदगी केदोगेदा तुम पुथोरक्ते दगा लोरम दाइदा वॉकेट की बिल सिगी एत्ता अयुक्त की नैनरक नुआ ममांग दगे इंट्रोड्यूस होगा नैनरक तोसिना अहिंग पुंग अनि ताराबा अनि सिदा पुथोरकपने मसे पुथोरक्तिनेगी ममांगदा आइगी सीनियर कलीग पार्टी की कलीग अमना इमोल के नंग स्पीकर दम ता हाइदा नंगसु लोकल एमपी नि नंग ना हाइगा सि प्रेशर मोरल प्रेशर सु लैनि हाइना आई कोई ऑनरेबल स्पीकर उनै आइना सर सि ओकेनो नि कोके वोकट बिल की कन्न नैनरिगी मतम सिदा आइना सुमाइना ngasi बिजनेस ता बुदी यावरे यावरगा सु ngasi सि सुम चथगी गा लोइदब तारगदी हयेंग नोंगालगा खन्न सि खितंग फ्रेश ओइना आइदा माना आई येंगे आई तोगे आइना हाइरा कांदा पुंग अनि दा फलों पुथोरक्सदा इगोंदा शॉक चटपायगा ओ तौर मालेन अदगी तियलब मतम द मिनि निफु मंगा यांखै मिनिस्टर खुमदे यापोंते होम मिनिस्टर दे मयाम ने येलेइबा ngangai म्याम द माना मो आंसर पिदो बै मतम मम पिदोइ द पुंग माइसदी opposition party mayam yen thoknarakpada dum kesu phangaro lead speaker of the ngangi the tell of the minitara ngang by the opposition the yauriba party mayam du su mai magi khairakpada matam se kesu punga mai is the roidna ko aro ngang bo phangok ai gi koi now koi honorable mp alfred su family koi ibani maklei house isagi state की मरम द वांग आंग बो फंगौद्री ने डिसीजन लौद को मतम दे आम थी न तेन तवर दुगा ख्वाई nga ide amu rajya sabha da sumu puthor kan da koi gi honorable mp sana jaw su ngang bo phang to the best of my ma ngang gi ain khale asuk chawra ba le pak se gi parliament ta ai koi gi state ki maram da mp ahum khaktang lai jaba sida ama ba we ngang bo phangi da ba mong da president rule taw bai sa ai miyam da han hanjan na haijaba du ne ba party politics haiba malaini aduga bipartisan politics haiba musul laine bipartisan politics is a political line my party ki dunata with a common noiba issue the khanar ka tawsi for example parliamentary standing committees ya adugi bipartisan characters yawadam quite powerful eba committee ni standing committee aizu ministry ahumam ge da yawri adu su ai laksaki makham aina kari tawki res tawki standing committees issue bipartisan hoy gada bani haidi kai no to koi khani issue do ne ba bjp congress kar ka lo impul member yawri ni committee sida an issue do kai no apafata kamai tawsi ke sarkar da kari recommendation pge na adu gi khana na ba leiba khwaidagi parliamentary system da powerful hoy bani minister khakta ni si committee na kongam jis adu ga secretary level ba ga kongam ba government india si khairo si answer piro si tawai अदुमाइना bipartisan है पार्टी की मियेंग येंगदा इशू द येंगदा पोट हाइबा मलई नको अदुना मणिपुरी ngasi ओइबा फिबम सिदी कॉमन इशू bipartisan मोंग द येंगदा बगी करेक्टर मियावम थोकना ना जाय बीजेपी कांग्रेस की नती एमपी अनि मना कांग्रेस नि एमपी मना बीजेपी नि अदु अखोय अहुम लेना आई फावजबगी वाने अतोप कलेक्शन करी फावगे दि खंगदे अइगोंदा हंगे अखोई मरम खन्नब अखोई एमपी अहम हेक वा ngang फंगदबिदा सतलौना लोइसंगिबसिबु फाब्रा मसिबु तौरिसि मसिन करी ताई मसिगे वहानथोकसि करी नो गाइसे पुनिंग खनब नुमित हाइतारेको मतम तेन तारगा सतलौना लोइसंगिबदा नतना खोसु वा ngang खोइगी हाइनबम लई इंग्लिश ता फेमिनिस्ट की करी करा खोइगी पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविस्ट ना You write, otherwise you will be written about. You speak, otherwise you will be spoken about. Aigi agency yaruga aigi maramda ina ngangzagadabni ba aigi maramda mina ngangadaba nate. Lo nang ngangjagadi mina nang maramda ngangkanes. Ko agency mangwe se. Feminist nupi singam chame. You write, lest you will be written about. You speak up, otherwise you will be spoken about. Adugi wakhan ka se haipet poglak pa hai tare ko. Aduna president rule gi matang se ahamba aina thamjini si gi ai feelings. Learning curve ne punsida yeng ne system je kamaina work tawi parliament kamain function tawi. But akoi miyam su aina pungning phawje ji phawbi ra ga si hangbam thu eng khala. You write, otherwise you will be written about. You speak up, otherwise you will be spoken about. MP ahum lay lay na handa ke president rule se mayam su khangbi ho do koi yam na post colonial ge colonialism ge loila madu gai na ngang ba state ni lai soi ba pai ge lei bin na I soi nai na ram nganin khali masi matang se paper do yaw hi ba ai theng di ai pa di pa zau dre editorial ge ibirong nganin khali newspaper da TV da discussion da kai no ko MP ahum ngang da vida te na pung ahum da loisang ge maram kari no hai min sing se mayam su nei na birong ngani adu su ai na khanjaba do haijaba gi wan conscious oiba khunai ma da disi nei nam tho e se na media mayam su sinau su yawili adu ani subada amu nature of the problems ai na tingang ge na khanjaba wan ngangak pada home minister na ngang pada su ai na hanjan hana da gi hai na lakso colonial attitude, colonial epistemology has a knowledge system that yeng mami yeng type essentialized over the story of poch. Haidi, I know the cookie naga kanagare, they might take pangan kanagare haraga, naturalized option give bahana no the dum topalinani, sidi, no yelenani, no yukunai, do yelenani. Handa tuli sikatanati, no yukunai, the light churable, no mesen puna chainava, hatuna ways, the nogi e tung the yaurabani haivagi. Wakalon man nama yam toin tai mayam su tabirong wanina cookie naga adu taw akoi gi sigi local politician hai ga state level politician jing adu ngang ba yauri ni magi party line de yeng ko da masana da singjeng na yanjan jaine ba makong post colonial scholar mayam na ba parliament ngang rawani ko mayam dong hanja bai wan ai su mase on the floor of the house thang rawani bai afa water sing na kai hai ge da Hindu Muslim khatna ba sisu colonial lens study, colonial gi miyeng da loilang gi lenga lon gi wakalon amasung moi gi knowledge system de yeng da India ai ba leipak gi lu tong da yauraba masa gi laichura na leijaraba lainani masi British na purakpanati hai na haiba gi miyeng amale essentialization of communalism in India. Africa da na tribalism hai, India da na communalism hai. Aduna sida moina dum laichura leirabani haina haibise yaninga ba fonglokna India gi scholar mayam na I dana world pom khangna rab knowledge system na kai ha ge da Hindu Muslim khana bai sa aikoi gi lutung da yawja ba pot na te loilam laingak lak pa da gi madu ga sagon na rak pa da gi tholakhi ba phibo mamani aikoi gi aikoi da hana lutung da yawja ba na te na ngang na leirabani India gi scholar apa mayam against the essentialization of communalism in India. This is a part of the process of a colonial process. Agi tholak pani hai dana hai di balai pak sida. Karamba miyeng dagi ngasi bhaw da aikoi da amu aikoi gi lutong da yaw dong na noi di pangan ga su khana grabani mi asuk sina hatok na grabani chahi achuk sang bani na essentialize of aikoi gi lutong da isa ga sagon na ba koi gi character yaw dong ngang sa on the floor of the house ngang e khoi sigi party maruina BJP gi kangbu na su mai su salaga singang e ba sigi loilam gi wakhalon ji chanan ba gi wa sa handak sung tawre e ba mayam su ningseng gi rongani ko India gi parliament the member in phami ba isani aina floor da yeng ai ba mi yeng noina tawre si colonial attitude ni adu dai tholak pani aina hai bu ngam garba ai masi wa pham sei on the floor of the house the tang garba try da kam da famina ga ngang ba na to the seminar da ngang wa na te bai it's on record the later one hanjan ma pham da official Twitter ni ai ge Twitter da su racist and colonial attitude to give wang malana tholo thabak tawmina se normal se anjan je se ai gi ex count do I rabane India gi achaw lai ngak li ba mayam sida take tawro I ni sigi position se aina handa ki president rule sida nuai jada ba wakalon anisin haibadi ha badaina thamje ki se amu tension jarak pada achuk lugraba fibam ama sokna leiba si pung ama khatang loisalaga aikhoi MP ahum leina wam ta ngangma ngamogdana loisin gi besa masigi wan thokse Manipur miyam am ta khanbiu mi ama ani MP ama ani na tawbu ngamgadam ti miyam gi wakhalon na sikari lege se masigi wahang se khoi gi miyam sin hangbiu ani shubadana essentialize torga thoiba problem se governance ki initiative level da nataga political process ama de yengbagi muta aikhoi gi khunai de yaujara ba hatok na ba amaga nungsina da bagi essentialization tawba lu tong na yaw tong na yengma ming ama de explain torga se victimizing the victim ka wese blaming the victim do ne we are victim noi masin hatok na ba ne khoi ke do hai no hai be time ne masigi kok se ai atopa recommendation la tu jai jage ba ai na draft tok je ba pota opposition या ruling party ने ये लखी भाई आम ले नहीं हम है तभी रंगनी कोई ना कश्मीर conflict है पाकिस्तान ने draft हो वो मतम नदी इंडिया की diplomacy ने draft हो वो कश्मीरी crisis है बगर conflict है तो दमरे ये ने रखते ना diplomatic negotiation काय दिन ने बा मुशर्रफ का अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी लेंगे why is it बस ये हम तो पंजाब why करी गिनो दा Pakistan ko the conflict hai the conflict kana conflict no between whom man ha kane conflict hai ru da adu India ka Pakistan ga ni India Pakistan the kana no UN member ngak tani adu UN member the kari no the international problem ne ha ne this internationalization tor pasine Pakistan pam sa na moi ge choice wa se conflict hai ne India na ko internal problem ni masi conflict hai na ba Kashmiri crisis hai ne why the yana diplomatic ki post ai am to ngang ba aina larik ta ko sum sin nei public meeting su ngang bo ne ba why asiam lui ai gi politics set up tong ni ngang wa se kari ngang we se do ai gi punsi de amuk si bam na ke parliament ki experience da aina draft tok why am da aina unprecedented crisis hai ba da ruling party mi sing na ta gi le lok tho oi em khan biu ko cham wai malung ane aina draft tok da aina unprecedented crisis ani I basi unprecedented se lok tho mam khang bi bro kai gi no ai lok tho hai le sikari gi no ye lim me am se why the kai no English ngang ke do no university was amang ke do na ar kane ba real diplomacy news hai Pakistan ke India ga negotiate to the conflict versus crisis the kai na ngang na lai ba ai se ai gi life ta handak ai na draft to Manipur gi matang da draft mam to da Kashmiri ke no se ai na unprecedented crisis hai da unprecedented se lok tho hai ne unprecedented de maite lon da la de amuk ta thok ki driba mawongi crisis ne ai je ngasai gi mi gi politics su kai ne boina noi hana kuki na ga su ngang nei amasu tawi hai na hana su thok pa lei bani hai ra ka doi aduna unprecedented ai se official document da changra di official record le ga hai adu gi che do pa ra any politician amna noi gi mi gi no gi parliament gi record che da unprecedented hai jo di noi na hana ke le wei thogi na noi khang ya bi mi di akang ngai ngak ta ni akoi de ge na mamang thana khang ba samaj ni khunai na bi akoi swai da di English ngang ka do no oza ro ke do no ngang ka ne ai real life to thing na to handa ki draft to je hojiti madu gi negotiation taw ngak ta de loisin ma sentence am da chat ya bu do madu dai de yei na da na ko da na pung chang na sang lo rak pa da committee में आम कोई में आम खाना बने रखते लोग सिद्धार्थ पसीदा कहीं नो हाय कोई why से आई मन न खाला इना give and take ने negotiation का वैसे ऐता तोंनिंगे ने ऐता तोल फुगाई से तकाई के या देखे आई नंगांग याप जानते it's a politics is a dynamic process आई ngang से इसे कहीं कोई अकोई दा आई ना Thingna iba mayam sige puning ne wazaba do ai tamza bayani swai de kayam lu no wi jan no guys adu ai ko na thadu aga negotiate ro ai na for give up to ge aduga qualify di tawde aro isine crisis ebo why say I qualifier am the half kadi aduga noina yela ni na unprecedented yena biano noina unprecedented ngati subjective ni adu ni ada ni tawna yam yene aduna last mayam official document the thing birangani extraordinary crisis haibni adu sum lokto haire it was a hit draft all meeting or bawa phone call after another town kanda si lokto kai do no mayam na di why do haine adu historically thoi ba pose kari no ina mafam sana marik chumna thanamba yan na why sina tamane sige sine aina ngasai masiga mari leine ni ngasai hai moina floor da ngangi bada noi gi lu tonga yawbani noi di masen hatona dan leba community ni haraga akoi kai do noi masen hanam noi leina ni nasai leina ni haraga in thok praman bagi pot masigi rationalization sigi essentialization se masi number 1 aina na ki president ru matang da ngasai thamjeris emiam da ina pawdam ja bai wan second issue da na akoi gi aina question ama hangne siso angat pani speaker da gi ngrang na da york ngai di chichi si sigi experience amaga thamse akoi sidai sida su se nga su tawba adu tawba da si ang critical level pot nem se no congress na du tawba bjp na du tawba it's a real issue ne mi gi political demand ama leibadu da Kulai Thadavida, peace talk Toraga, Kamai negotiate only territorial integrity, Kaibe Yaroi Koloena, whatever is limitation, Shu have a matama in ever dealing Tora in ever natra. Adu Luri di Shu have a posse Magi intended objective se Pangabra. Natraga machine naturalized of Salaga. Irang Tona Masa, Siso in the floor of the house of Mayam Tabi over Kandigo. Highway Sida. Illegal taxation the sigi issue mayam jina sumaine agreement auto lagi sina normalized of the taxation Dimapur da Bilambati lising chahumga kanu muktang phang base Imphal yog da phange aduna sigi taxation je tawgre haina aina ngang karam si kai no da it's okay am paira ga talak pada negotiation tawna na ba agreement ma government ga sign tawna ba isa is nothing wrong with it it's a political engagement never Tactics samani. Natraga kapsat laga hatuna saiba ma. Isi na tak na mi sigara siroida collateral damage kaudo ni mi sokko kopa civilian so laga so adu khulai tha tau ga ba ma amana process khulai su thane du no wari sa je su yai hai laga tawna ba ma ko. Adu ke mong da territorial integrity kai ba gi manang da yaroi hai laga su thangri hai na hai re. Sisu politicization tau ba gi mauta Hangado question di su haina thamisibu akoina phamibe intended goal je purpose jo sab to bra to da bra ina naina gadam ne ground rule yauri ga di nangi joint monitoring committee da thangat pani sarkar na masi thangak ke bra thangat bra monitoring to bra ina son da changjan bai mata congress na sign to manatra bjp na du to na smile lang lai sa real administration politics ta substantive level ubang am da bai po ne Sugu isi kari no aido akoi nuji hangado posidi no in the ground reality tugai roi haiba che tugai da ka di sarkar na joint monitoring group ta thagat loi yauri ne be agreement du da adu follow tawri bra renew taw doi ni sahi kudinge February ki tang kuma 2024 da ki ngasi ki Manipur miyam china samam na da no si bo lai ri ba su se lai ri ba lai ta ba se koi khang dre bo se RTI thabra kari taw na che mun na khalo kanda privilege am leve MP question hang biya ba aina mase star question na ko gi parliament supplementary jo hang ya ba ina question ama aina raise taw hana deina mase hang taw da hanak se yam na ngak pa punsi gi aduga parliament su yam na toina thokta ba incident am toy ban adu su laibuk thi ba ha ga laibuk fa ba ha ga ai se samna ba gi wani star question se ko na balloted an hana Lottery to bude MP kungi maming tholak kane bang sai khangat pu kunje hangado mami ge ai gi ming che ta truk shu bude yaure ai se harawe ai office staff ge ai sidi yaure pa chap chari question je tholak ka dore na adu ga kai doge da business ki list question tha dor se numi kharin mamang tha dore ba hangado bulja manna MP maming khakte ni moina hangado question yauro oi ba ko balloting ka oi ba ballot ai gi ming yaure aduga aina thajan gi question ji hangado bo moi kunji question ja muloina list holakada bane ba list โทรคันได้ไอ้กิมิงสิลกทุกข์ไปวันเนี่ยมาเสียคุยมันนี่พูด newspaper สิ่งที่สุดปอกดำดีกี่ประเดี๋ยวข้างใน national media ได้รีพอร์ตเอาเลย because I raised this MP เมื่อกี้หักมุดนี่มัดนี่สิเบลล์ชุดตัวเราก็ใครดูว่ากี่ question สิยาวรักตีนหน่อยสิ Home Minister น่ะ direct คงก็ได้ว่า question ไอ้น่ะชูขัดตั้งหังอดี sensitive โอ้ยน่ะขัดลักโอ้ยจ้า parliament กี่ system จี BJP น่ะไปไปได้กี่ process มันนุ่งจ้าตัว manipulate จำตัวประการมีแนวงังเนี่ยบ่อาชีพตัวเรามวยน่ะคุยกับพวกเจ้าน่ะท่าจะใจมาตรงนี้นะดิอะดูบุ precaution เราไม่ยาบเราระกะไอ้นี่ question หังเนี่ยไอ้ปัจจุบันเกี่ยวกับ question direct มันนี่พูดได้หังอดีตัวเราเนี่ยสัมผัสน่ะไม่ได้ล้วนด้หายใจรักแค่ North East India ดะไรง่ะก็สหิตตรงนั้นก็คุยเช็คพินาร์ก็ agreement เลยว่า arm groups กายกันเลย state wise detail นั่นพิโรอะดูก็ renew ตัวกี่วันเลยก็ดีอะดูการณ์การณ์ก็ไม่ตัวกี่การณ์มา group ก็ตัวกี่นะ question อันนี้ใช่เนี่ย raise ตัวเนี่ยมาสิดาไอ้เนี่ยฮาราอุริมันขังวิรังวันนี้มณีปุรีน่ะหังบุตรก็มันนำเสนอสิ่งที่สเตทวันน่ะหังวันน่ะพิรักปุ่มมาทำได้มณีปุรีก็น่าเลยไอ้ดิเซนายงก็เลยดีรีนูดูต่างทุกตัวกินน้อยทอลอันนี้อะไรแต่สู้จู่ทอลก็ไปนะก็จีก็ละก็ไอ้เนี่ยเสียมาก็หังมันเนี่ยสิ่งที่ question จีเนี่ยเป็นลูกทอลเลยไม่ใช่มณีปุรีประจานนะไอ้คนน่ะถ้าเกิดที่ว่า MP นะอาชุกรู้ระบะไอ้คนน่ะสมัมน่ะนั่นเลยระบะงั้นสิว่าพวกยันตาระบะ question นั้นมัน raise ตัวละกันดาकरी की मुथल की नो है ना editorial EV की बयाव बड़ा ये अदु दे ताज़ा हो गया हुए ये थी रिवा कोई ऑफिसर was it discussed in Manipur शूद गांगन लाई रिवा कोई की स्टेट दा television discussion दा आई कोई की on MP ना question सी की मतंग दा पालम दा माँ की privilege आई न दा हंग मतो खुमुक्तब से अदु वा MP हम ना fraud दा हंगे है तान ममिंग जो खल्ला तो इन सुता उधर सी privilege मत इन्हें सिगे मतंग दाई मणिपुर प्रजामियाम ने नेवी के ब्राउन तो ये हुआ इन्हें ऑफिस आई लांगे तबक जिन में ये टीवी टेलीविजन डिस्कस था मसीन नहीं ना कि ब्रा सूदे हम सेंसिटिव वेब प्रजांग आते नहीं मियाम नहीं अकोई मेरे आदर संग खाना रंगने तो ये हुआ ने उसे थीरी बको मैं हम जो खंबी रंगने आई नुचे हाइजे इशू से मुझे पेपर ददी असुन मापान ददी तम यावर एव खराब होती इरे साउरन की पेपर अमानी दसु हो गया इन्हें चुम पाक पति बिला सुमाइने MP has raised an issue allegedly his question was removed adu du tawi ka do no MP ki privilege so en man mai ai even I get Twitter na ta Facebook ti bo ko to ge ira ko yaw national paper sing akoi iram dong gi paper sing joy so ibirong ani ai gi achep ta thazu jaban kai no da khanging ba shu se ko si khang ba mu gi information ja do namat kre ba MP yong gi right paw se ekodak secretary general da chithi expert ma'am tanar gani speaker da chithi ani rak gi masa ani rak unei ba clear tawna zero hour da sima gi maram da hangbiya de speaker gi authority maram da ma gi mayo ta hangba sa mane ba adu sai sarap tis sa ama de gi aina hange disallow tawre speaker na ma'am thingna mo chi joina ai question thanga pani belota yawros ma yawrok te da this question will not go on record this is not this is against the rule hangbiya da mo wa ina mi mang da ta hausan wa ina hang mane mi ma khatan ho na jawab ma gi no ne ko no stone unturned चिट्ठी इगनी स्पीकर उन्ननी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस आदा ANI करी करा दा पीदन मसिन मयाम योरदी अंगता होरादी से ने सुगी ngangi बसे मसी मतंग से कोई म मियाम द ज्ञान ता हो म चंगनी मसी दी क्लैरिटी में लेना बाइना हंगने दो क्वेश्चन दो अनफॉर्चुनेटली याव करे को ओजी क्या है इंसिडेंट से टॉक रे आइना हंगबो क्वेश्चन थी ABCD एना हंगे कोई पाजर के को will the Minister of Home Affairs be pleased to state A the number of agreements signed by the government with various groups in northern states, state-wise to date. B, the details of these agreements, including their signing dates and any subsequent extensions, if applicable. C, the financial assistance or benefits provided under these agreements, along with total expenditure incurred group-wise. Group-wise. D, the other measures undertaken by the government for the rehabilitation and reintegration of these groups, if any. E, the overall impact of these agreements in reducing violence and bringing stability to the region. C questions in it. Sida su da paisa pi de kai se loin yawra ka dabne do ko yawra ke MP oiraga tawham thokpa I speaker unai anirak unai ada last ta aina unaram kanda haram se sir hujiki session su loira go mane hayeng chata ngaira aduna dignity of the house hai tare ko aduna yam nungaite sir chithi ta di pibiro reply mat pibam thokpani rule gi matungina reply da piro phajade har man ai tawge hari ngarang na hala chithi si yore ado moina rule le palai se si ai hiding gre applicable over rule na te ai na hana loina para tamani sida already any single si sign tawre adagi cc tawre renew tawre se cover the phone inatro adugu national security ga mari leina ba port ko ne na khumjalaga lawthok ne na khumya ngarang nan thorpa che sida ado khoi di press conference ai na hangjai do di agreement ke alai kana gano tang ke ada sign tawgi karam kan de extension tawgi hang musidi cover da sum yaw wani na adu chithi lai si do I just got the information this is sina su ga mari le na baina andaki in parliament ina thengna sa gib da ko adagi mathang gi sina khoi gi wetland gi matang da ina akhoi se lokta ka se khoi gi thawai ni mai tai gi khoi gi cosmology da di khoi dau ni hai aluga geographically scientifically yenga su water body lokta yaw dragadi Manipur ki civilization hingoi do and moirang kang leron thok tana khamba thubi ki kari gi lai sa it thrives on the banks of Loktak akoi na thaina Salim Ali habra koi gi uchi ki expert amal mana gi iramba pot ta thengna da Loktak si adagi British na koi gi second world war da ching matha tai kumdarak pada inga na mingjen dauna diamond dauna ui ga ni iramba adagi Mrs Grimm na ga changa ka na ma ga da note masam cha yaur mo se langaga mingjen dauna mayai da ui ka ina daramba pak pa chaw gi se sum handal se 1980 dai bo da phajana suchan gram ne Loktak ki size sum pixel lak asi Manipur ko ba civilization amagi dying process ne se koi ai di hygiene ba ai nam toin ai gi thaina pass ai gi Facebook da so Loktak ha pa tham is the elixir of a collective life akoi gi amrita ne Loktak mangzal lak pa pixel lak pa se akoi gi civilization gi siram dai gi sign amane adagi Lampel part adagi Yaidal part in the water bodies mayam leiram ba se kangzal lak tanu jikti lambi se su kotho ga tha da udu da koi gi mathak ta sum tha ge sum chungwa ga ke sum chungwa ke ta ga flood thokse lak pa water body je phasana town da population growth le ga su systematic planning to ga water body reservoir me am se thamaga di ising sau su thoi do ba waisen marine gi hak tak ta gi ni uji airport pok to mini I know this because I am the chairman of the airport so I am the chairman of MP in fact airport gi koi gi luckily koi gi local macha director koi tangkul macha ne is very very highly straightforward and very sincere hard working visionary official ne habi ma yaw ye da topa local officer kha su lai na moi ado ai ga koi meeting taw so beautification ga in maneva atopa airport se ngai gum se asi hujik lai sida su nangi greenery gi component hangalan si cleanliness ai sa de so ai price pi ge koke tawraga so we all gear up now so in fact airport se hujik lai sida amma ji sa loisan de su ko fazan je no je plan ka di khar ka tha bo hore marakta waterfall ga hap na sem jena koi myam plan to minari asi airport se thumme ba waisen marine gi fungat pagi and akoi gi drainage system gi kari gi je kadai do no ma so water body se is a very serious problem contamination turen je uji ising luruk ta khoi uruk pa turen Imphal turel Iril turel Thobal turen gi ising je laingoi ko khoi maseng ak tani ko sa do sigi system yaw do water body si kanana bo hona bada ekpiro adigi kaino sigi matang da ina question ama mo hang bane ba explain piro siga ina handak se question ama ai pazara ke ko sigi question si da Manipur da India da su sigi sumaina maru oi ba water body se kannana baina 2017 da the Wetlands Conservation and Management Rule 2017 in ama form taw sige ama in 2017 da wetland me am se ngakthuk na bain hona ba sigi conservation and management rule 2017 se sigi matung ni state wise tawai na pi basida magi state khuding ma ki wetland authorities state wetland authorities amju sengmadam ni kaina rules yauri stringent oiba in the name of tourism in the name of commerce and economic development gi namada adugi maming da mangan gi dana baina semak par rule achoba mane be india gi oina akoi manipur gi praja sing ja akoi gi hana khasi aware oiba si matang da ko Manipur da loktak kan gadabani lamphel part kan gadamni jaur sai han maina sigi reject kana kana hangi se are they declared or notified as wetland under the Wetlands Conservation Management Rule 2017 hairiba Wetland Conservation Management Rule 2017 nge makhada loktak lamphel na natan Manipur da leiba water body khona kan gadabani hairiba isingi part lai ba mayam se wetland oina lautho obra notify to bra ina hang basida official document da ONL website ta thagala kanda so na kana ung thikana na yawlam da bi kari no chanai na ra ka to ba ma yaw le ram basida handak te ina parliament da luckily question ma hang ni basi matang da si shu amu manipur ga hang adi namjan gi dra ina all india level da wetland chi rule ma kha pa state wise speed ocean ina wetland declare to women's Manipur da laiti am ta tawm now it is on record on the floor of the house ngasi khoina lokta kan gadabani lamfen kan gadabani yare part kan gadabani part kan gadabani haidna lairiba port mayam sa the Wetland Conservation and Management Rule 2017 ne makha da notify to devamta so they can be exploited commercially they can be done in the name of tourism and development and savana san la sukai robes magi india gi expert mayam na globally yanarba expert mayam na khanara ga madudagi knowledge yaura ga bharat ko sarkar sina government of india ai bachina adu su ngasi gi paliba bjp sarkar ji gi makha da moina laurai ba exe masigi makha da manipur da akoina nungsi jari ba loktak na ta ga mayam se wetland law thok pra haina notify to rai toram de adu ya khoi gi intention se karino kangani hairaga kari da kal na ba tawrino haibe se akhoi di hojikti ngak ki kumai harau da as adu thare hai taw da ya ngak padi atop document ina kharsum season bada loktak ki part singa sa ina pixel le hai british nu uram bada ki chum pixel hai je official document da hojiksi chendra swai ki loktak ki sarun te aga le kai sabu yana na ba pixel lai ji hujuk lai ba loktak si da mafam kharo ji mayam tv overseas husin so high court hearing am lai ba ngam tawri ba ina tv da high court na kaim sa ya ro en chingjen ma le ba sigi pose manipur ge larik lai shu hairaba marai pak kun siba pit thadaba lai pak iramdam gi culture da sabona raba loktak pat lamphel pat yairal pat ki kombi rei ga na saiba Maitai iseli ba aikoina kaya mauk thijandana aikoina masigi conservation je tawrage hujujing loktak si definition da akoi gi sarkar na thagalak pa che court ta tharak pa kopada karam sal phawa ba loktak ki sarunte haigal agi abise manipur ge miam amuk tung season view pressmen singi chinau ge maikai dai masim ta tam charam ge wetland conservation makha da taw devsin de parliament ge yam seng na tog le mathang da aina thamjaning ba sisina ai ni nonga khoi ni am di khang badi nate adubu mayam na tawbadagi sum ta ba khang nge ba ko parliament is like a big seminar hall at one level seminar hall chom ni akhang ai he mayam na ngang si tar kan da khoi na tawbune ba ada work ball gi okay no simagi okay ke bills amendment tawro pi matang de be sai ki su kya khang de ado akoi tai phadhan tai khangi party ki discussion tawi adigi ai su sum satra mo jera koi social science ki student ina phaktok na khotna thi ada hanak tawi isina karino misuse tawna masi je kamain tawi hana problem le adu workit ki lady ba problem se solve tawi na moina sarkar na semdorak pani hai adu mogi motive se adura semdoke di moina tawi se tawgada tawroi dra na naina kanda moida Muslim the target to Bama, specific in the target to Bama, but character Karakui. I do name the floor the su Akogi, Miano, Sudum Tavino Raina, and it's Surena floor of the house eyes. Noigi nationalist imagination, Zekaramano, Zekarina Take, the 15% lady Muslim community member of the knowing a second of the Algeba Parliament and Noigi. There is not a single Muslim MP BJP. 15% na ibam na nang national na inclusive way raga di yaw di ay sa ihana thamgrabane sige wapam je thamaga aina handaki work se ngang de to sai su ma ngang nei hai adu di mapung ning sibagi mai magi khoi furup ki khanjabai pakhatna aibu nung sibe bagi hairak po erong mani ojabi mo je work ki manam ta sunga ngangak te khaina hai adu bo kangbu na vote ki adu thada ki bini khoi na adu aina I want the vote ke Marile naga wangango to take on the Habirkono. I in a conviction later can the Gangadam. I vote other 8 way nine and Gangadam Nate. Line at Sanbidana, Miam Nuxi, the Nausik, Punsida example of Setaronge, MP, Magic Maitongani, Manakari Ngangani, Karikari walked away, say Setaronge, Duga, political culture, Hana the Gizo movement, I'm told the APCR Mena. Tapna Tamno Hong the Poya never sing in the Lakpane. And I was in vote Marilla in the day, I get conviction in the city, among those eyes in the floor of the house. The Muslim Amata Yaud of Nogi national imagination, Sikarino, and Nangram, on the floor of the house. And work is so when I'm Kanga in a tie, tis a Lakanda, I could in a Kamos in the Nangre Parliament. The Kanaba the Yawi, I want to a Kamba MP, Mam, the Tana Kolanta, Sana, Supai, I get assistant member. See, there's the 100 working problems. Moi intention je reformation na te targeted oiba Muslim ki property singsi lokshan na bo na ba moi si target aduna thaina khoi gi German gi Nazi matamda first they came for the Jew. I didn't speak up because I was not a Jew. Then they came for the communists. Since I was not a communist, I didn't speak up in the ngangom later. Ultimately they came for me and there was no one to speak up for me. Khoi gi party na uba ina su khanjabada Ngasi di Muslim the target tormaya, it will be next Christian or be October religious kum da Taura loi haiba ngam dev. Magi indication ya adugi pot amo in it we. Adigi controversial oi bada migi Muslim body the Hanak Supreme Court so hangaledana. Hindu gi temple same the no Muslim Yohan be adori bride. Suguma magi witness me amle aduna work bill sisunga saigi moigi minority or ibangasi Muslim sinsida. Reform to the problem the litigation you am na work ki amna problem sulai later but nati adu reform to iba posidi adu the address to bana de ngasai Muslim minority singigi magi kali haine mu is control to na ba lakshan na bogi type ta torpa aduga Muslim na hana prominent oina toraga Chanjalakpa, Matang the Matang minority members target or Koyabagi, Steve Amoeduna Neduga, quite a lubudi, constitutional level, the politics Wamulakanda, constitutionally Messiah, valid Oibra, is it equality before law, Article 14 of the Constitution, the just of the Yari, Brokopa, and a constitutional dimension, Yakogi party Maruina, Mutna Lauris. It is unconstitutional oiba provision yawe legally challenge sa ganya dugi process me amsu vera mani all of the awra na waki matang simana ai na me am da thamjaning basna simani iro loibeda aikoi ge national hierarchy sina post partition ai aikoi ge post parliament ta tawresia sisu waki do maina Loga mari ilay na tab da mimang da lan uhana ba Congress Party am sukan bu lan uhana ba tor ko move amanesia yang clear way mas section 25 hujing na amended taw kan na koi gi section 8 section 8 ki makhada ano ba act na mas section 8 mala ina uda man kada ito na section 8 amended 2013 da tawgi ba se 56 ki do na section 25 non profit on a register tawri ba body madu profit accumulate tawi haingam sala ina dividend people the shareholders in the dividend people yada ba po ne ba हाइदे आइना शेयर होरगा आइना शेयर होल्डिंग होरगा कंपनी दुना प्रॉफिट लागा इंगोंदे येंगदो वो याबो कंपनी नतेबा सेक्शन 25 आई होजिके 8 मखा होजिके ना अदुई मखा दा शेयर होल्डर कोई सोनिया जी का राहुल जी होइसे ओएबको अदो मोइना प्रॉफिट आले हाइजे लेनी प्रॉफिट तांबा यादबो कंपनी मखा सेक्शन 25 की कंपनी से जो अखोगी इंडिया की रिनाउंड उकिल कोई पार्टी की साना यारमनी सेनियर ने कपिल सिबल ना ngangram ne noina prajada minami zikari no na kadai de profit no na dividend piwa ya de company ne do nang na kamai no na wealth amass of sele haire ino shareholder ki profit ye na ba ya de company am do de bu paisa ta le haije le ine adu ga ngasai ki property transfer to sikari no na khoi na mun na yeng ba ai detail de chacharo ro detail bu the entire papers is the yaw ri ko ai khoi no ma sikari no is asi ju ngasai ki work here minor koigi reform ga di mala laga mag intention na topam tawba tawraiba problematic oiba constitution oiba ma'am hapchal laga tawraiba amendment ma'am yaw ni JPC dan thadari ni koi work su ko adu su ma'am na opposition na pirak suggestion ma'am lo reject to ine amoi gi intention no maina target tawbu do na national herald moi to isa tai na teba nga na ngo sandokra loire na ai go vote matam na ngon da su cookie nu pilo ya jile chumthokpa mo se war information warfare ne hana mi chama da sandoki do nang heng amuk chum moina chumthokpa mat mi tara den chumthokam pone 90 no man khala chakadam ne aibagi narrative am sustain tauna na ba they are trying to sustain a narrative that Congress and Sonia and Rahul Gandhi and all these people are corrupt. That is what they wanted to retain by this kind of a false charges. Section 25 company and a profit la way is a god. This is a falsehood just to sustain the narrative that Congress is corrupt. Highway analysts la na salu ji mayam ko da haina do se ED na file tawgre haye de case tawgre haye crore du ki pot ni haye moi paisen ji haye mayam ko da dum chakra ne ba kari no man nga ibo profit tu kari profit no profit tu pibe ada company du section 25 company no kai de profit no ai na high bugi wa ji mayam da khaloi ba ai charge tawradi ka no nuksit leng na kari ba ko ye nuksit sitna una leng ba yaro es kai nom de le ram ngani da kai ne sigi suspicion tawraga implicate tawraga constantly tawle sijo amarom da di amu national herald ji freedom movement gi pakholo oina ba phong iba neru na phong iba journal ne adu hojik commercialization mayam ju media sinau khangbi de na ko se ko gi times of india na ga tawrakhi ba paper ki culture ju hong ram ne ba and what is news ga haira the news is the space between the advertisement ga haigal ga to amba newspaper ki culture hong ram ba culture sida nga sai gi nationalist movement ga sago na ra lak ba national herald ki paper se si sidar ko du dai da hingana na bo na ba gi akoi gi party member lo na subscribe ka taw don khotana adu minor revive taw na ba gi strategy de taw gi ba muktu bo moina hoje profit ta le sin loksan gre ada toksan gre na la na sandok pa ma taw ri se asisu miyam na khamu the falsehood ne ba se hai de ba falsehood mayam si gi lak tho kan na ko no ina hanga do bo question di aina sa toin toin hoje te punjab do Manipur is a national crisis when u bo ngam draga di no gi nation ma do yar ba nation je karam nation ha ba se ko hangmam toi ai di parliament so hanjan da haija garbani hojik noina khoida noina tawriba thabuk thong sina ai khoide anti india oire nong taina rakani noina tawri sai ma'am tabi ngai chum han bayani ko so it needs to be reminded that kashule taba insignificant noina tawrakanu adu ga thoiba problems say governance failure ni state ki process yawrim ni ai ngang jaw these are all propped up by Indian security forces in the counter insurgency na bagai say it's on the floor of the house. I tried the pangangang manati. It's on record. I can look sabagi volume 1, 2 in the tolok for the masana transcribe. Yaur agado ba pot neves. History dele horda ba record ni si. I want the gehena lai su haiba. I want the hena maripa musiba akanga yama tola kanda MP or pa kambu na tagama ko mantri or pa MLA singa. Makata ni sidigi hena sathi ba ngangak pagi yarak na bagi ay lambi do ay nga ay ngamja ba khara ay na thamjam ba yuwane ba. Ana aina hojik haijai ba post and kanogi development sida irol of the disa committee se su mayam media ai baton tawjarake committee da aina haijabani is on record. I said I see meeting se disa gi meeting monitoring central scheme ge development se ai sumna mayam na chokidar yamana nono gidai aina legislative oversight function hai bedo maitai lon da metaphorically khangnana ba huran ba pana ba yengjan ba monitor tawgi hai bagi legislative oversight function hai ba wahi do english hai do maitai lon da gyan ta na ba na chowkidar hai bani modi su masa chowkidar ne hai gi bani adu hare sima hojik ti vote kar ga chowkidar ne hai re ne si su ngai chamane karap taw ye na ta hai jala ga mi makok ta kaino ma ngang ji kaino chum ma la thamel ne chowkidar ni ai na su meeting da hai jaramam ni aran ba tawbirakanu lamdam sige reisa ngakta ni officer ngakta ni handak kisina ahan mo meeting ware mathang dagedi sumna ingonda report tawbiu I will not buy katukaran tawbi aroi haidana khutta se pairaga ai hamne ising samme hai official portal dadi mi maming matha imu manung loi yaw ising jadu ai na tajabadadi hai na tawbane district of example amani health ki monitor tawre haire mayam khangmi bro koi district ke am nungai ge ngoba all the 3 district government ke hospital singja work fazana function tawdaba ai ko ultrasound machine amamam khaktang leise mayam khangbi bra ba Imphal East district Imphal West district ta community akoi ge keno se health center primary health center leiriba mayam se loina ma punjala kan mayam ngakpraba Imphal ko ba sahar ji da leiriba Imphal East amsung Imphal West ta fazana function tawdaba ultrasound amamam khatang leiba loina ma private chalan leiba I raised this issue in DC tawgum si ekhoi Manipur macha ngaktani central na thadar eiba scheme mayam se niyom chumna tawbada ekhoi life se transform tawdoini sidai dami lising kuntare sumaina monitoring tawgre health tc tawrai kanda equipment bo fazana leitraga kadai da tawrai ba pono angak pun laiba ngai khoi adu chi tawgum si ising do hojikte ekhoi Imphal West adi aina khungang amada aina direct mana tawde har tu aina aigi staff da aigi office staff da portal do hangdo aduga aikoi sida member am yawbo ma in khangmam lei moigi khunong da hangdo yengwana yong marai bak chirini adu phami mi dugi imung yaram je ni maming yawa lista ari man eside khoi maning de ni side khoi mangne toti leite da de aina official da siam ta tawbiu ai side ai side yaro ai ngonda di tor kano ai di chumna gi ritual long de meeting si tawbanga moi do public sing aware of bam chang side har semba haure hai hojik toti tawdon khotna am tawri hai adu maina akoina reso duna sina disagi meeting ni akoida leiriba function se mase ai khaktana monitor MP na tawroi tawgada bana tesidi everybody my officials sing laini vigilance department laini media laini akoi mam pulap tawmina ma changi ase pride adagi India de mo aina isu ministry de yauri ne standing committee on education da private and public education se khoi dagi wang se enrollment se Manipur ne adu report na kai yaro ke da private school da suk jam na Manipur number 1 se kai you know har kan kai high report da expendable surplus income labor gi ni haide ahen ba season na ba sen labor da gi tawra ini private school lai je Manipur India ki per capita da khoi da gi lai ra ba state maning de thikil to yaw ba Manipur unemployment the top 5 ki manung da chale ba Manipur inflation rate the highest wa ba Manipur sida ahen ba extra season na ba ya ba expendable surplus economy leidana private school ling ni Manipur da khoi ya mini India da high si mayam yaning bravas mayam te khalo aina education ministry da yaw bina India ki problem ni private versus public acha du bu yam ngakpam na aina si mayam si ki meaning sung handok piu ko India hai ba lei parks the government schools hai lo in a collapse of thingjan ba school education system in India will collapse large section of the population in India is backed up by government schools and government schools in the heck lok thok pa da India the school system je collapse ho ne sabne urban da private ne adu khwai ngak pa ma Manipur da di government school je heck thingjan ba da na education school education in Manipur will not collapse ngak pore se khoi sine khoi Manipur ki fibam sina aina disa committee da yaujab dana press inju kha ga pau tabi raga di season view ising samyar ga samdai ji kaino maming ga loi samaga pisal laga akhoi akas bill ka hai sigi tam ji moina akas bill lok thoki to ina masigu masa monitoring se MP khaktana tawgada bana te sidi media ichina so investigative journalist na so citizen bigadamni laipak saina roi boina haijai si pulap work to minasi achahi ma phajala ka doina ine impure se ai khaktana ka su tawbu ngam janate aina ngam khara hona jabdo mayam dang saiba aino suggestion tawba amachi thawramane 100 standing committee ki recommendation da aiko gi DM ko university se sijo angak pa mani 12B out there say hande khange recognition the UGC eki makada 12B makada recognize the university seminar sinbagi conference me pisa lobusu yaroi UGC dagi finance research project lobusu yade asi recognition tongna baina aina handak sigiri giri taktana luckily standing committee de yaure aru mayam khamgi na rusai makada thangali ba university se koi DM katna te india da paigele sumaina 12 phangdo do handak koi committee the report yauri do by virtue of Manipur MPC, adugi committee, adugi member of the Mayam Kawigon. DM University Katani Palaido, section Namada. Adugi Poto Horan, who President Mukta, Pitosai Matam Sang, Observer, Adegi Women and Child Ministry, Adugi Sending Committee, Akwagi Makane, do that, Queen recommendation, even Adudaning Asagi, why extraordinary can you rate? Adu da su committee semaga phajana monitor tawiyo noina DCP ainu question hang du am tholeba adu pi gre ada pi gre nu pi pregnant of the pi ada pi na mayam du ainu fill da chalu de am ta u de hu ju why hai IDP kangu sing se adu moi ki su aina committee ma specific dedicated committee sembiyo du ga phajana monitor tawga tawiyo na hai adega amana khoi ki sports university da faculty lobo su ji ka sunaba da su recommendation yaw mayam du mayam ubiram this all official on parliament website ta a standing committee report on education, women and child and youth affairs and sports. VC Africa, the winner and a super about construction, the Crown Candles and the Tuno standing committee recommendation, the Yaurban and Matang, the action taken report, Lakini, Matang meeting the ministry. So these are some of the things I know, ma'am, the Kara Toy Unadam in a Karasang, Matam Lozer, man, Waru Viade, at breakfast, some Saminaraga. Mayam to see su Kangaga in High Seas now, Plap Tabak Dominasi. Look, I not of Siraba, breakfast, Sirahana. Ah, oh, yeah. I was okay. Number one IDP, the Muzaki, a quick committee, say I was it monitor Tauribuko. I do I'm expecting it in the first week of May. Side the Pangadoma reports, and Mogi in a draft over Kamus in the Yim. I do recommendation like on the Adu reporting I didn't so like on the ministry, the Takana Kotana, the gay. Number one, normalize option give again. I know, say, Mamang, I did. I in the total say, Sisumona Mulana, Sanom Sanjana, Hamani Kai, we are. I Hanjani, I town, I just man, Lana Sandu. See effort, say, I'll make it. I give priority to I give any I give all space in IDP constantly pushing it under the carpet in a call. I give question hanging more the CP I guy to me to handle I know meeting that no in the theater come even say floor of one questions there I feel this up the my talk they know CPI say I don't know as you can latest I want them they do standing committee the recommendation the Yauris specific dedicated committee Miss Semaga monitor Toroka Pazana address Samuto, Tadagi, Samam, the Kai Chakraka, Tadagre, Moni Pasantawina. This is effort in a IDP sing it over. Besides, I use the Kagi report to Lakan, already a Dimamandu Unavasuauremi, Kogi philanthropist Hydraco, world renowned philanthropist Kam, Juari Saraga, Moidegi Kari Loviai is Adugido. I'm just waiting reports. Karatuna, the 6-7 Mantadu, Akogi lady, but Fibam Sida. Research, it's a field works, Yauri never. Besides, the report to Lakado, Rwanda, the parties in the Toki Bagi, UN, the Charter Kari Yauri recommendation, Kailawi, Adugi Manipudana Kari Tauri, Adugi Loanamaki detailed study never, Lariko in the Lakado never reports. It's not a normal recommendation that they have studied. Field worker, Taroga researcher, Mayam, 25 plus researchers are interviewing families. Adugi compiled Rokani statistical analysis, Mayam Tauri never got. So it has taken time, but I don't mind. portable paragadi ko kaya no the concrete web document dum pairagadi government ani khangde amani hangde hayeng pasuta uda nungai dana adugi report la ani but in the meantime ko no na waise kaukthokhinaba normalize aure nomai kamna dre haraga kaukthok aisa hande haijabne don't push it under the carpet aigi job tino one of the effort is not to make it invisible wandana bhona bsima school kar prime se hairi dudi normal hanjale school kare adu tore kathen kare aide kaim tawda bai type to salan ge go adu di shwe aro na constantly you will see in all my speeches I'll cite IDP ki issue je chum mai je chu la thamam mathau ta natraga di moina ainu question hange parliament da si thada gre si tawi yiru madu pi ada pi am ngange bako adu all the future kan ne yarum de agriculture ki hangi ID ekoi gi low sing kana na sokre si ekoi paper dai mama no isina ma una da me da hajar ma dong ta tv ona karora su thada gre na ina hang ma nu khume ai gi thabak te du chin thorak pu du ne ba noi kai dau gra kai thada da karor kun thama thoi kai gre do ina low sing ge phangam rong ta hang bi ne me de china ha bi ram hajar ma aduna this is my job aduna ina sai gi IDP gi duma aduma lai re ko aduga president rule se ai gi di hu ji hai samane don't think we are normal IDP da ina wa ma hai ji ta bi ra di amunga ai ngon de bu de koi me le ka ngona pai le ko when at appropriate time we will release these videos I know hai ji gi yaw ne don't push it under the carpet I will not allow it to be pushed under the carpet problems in normal later kesu later IDP ki problem later bai type to halak pe aro hanjan no remind ta uni second IDP sing sin ma yum de hek hanjan ri bawa ai koi gi Manipur gi issue se santai na re loisele haiba sunga ya ro e sei haiba ne aduna sai president rule se mitta ai koi de hoje problem se loi bodong u bodong na miyam na khan ge tawba kumai harau ta wai gi sawdi na te ko as a student of social science udandala amina normalization torokado manma ui far more than santi halakpai mota freedom of movement laitrini freedom of movement se huji kuki naga adagi maitai kuki na taina gi doreba it's a basic fundamental constitutional and administrative question India gi citizen amana magi lai khurumam da chatpa yade sibu karai da yadoino This is not a Kuki and Maitai problem that Maitais cannot go to Tangzing or Kauru is not an issue of community problem. This should be taken up fundamentally as a constitutional issue, right of the citizens. It is the issue of governance. Adu they implicate our community any relation to that is adu gi moina adu enforced over them never. Kanam mamna migi movement the national highway I say it's a national property. Shida is the kanana now on the blackmail to ga things and doing. Everything is turned into a Kuki Maitai issue. This is an issue of governance. This is the issue of political question and decision. If you do not have it, I could do never deflect of Budong Taweva. And a president rule, I think intention of our governor is, I know he is a very experienced administrator, so I am hoping that he would do more. Free movement of I think it should be enforced with a political will. If you say if there is a will, there is a way. I think the return of the IDPs within the free movement is all depends on the political will of the government of India. Direct proxy government. Nata di moina tak Chinese state government dong Tainani state government na mu amadong Tainani sumtaulay. Now it is clear cut. It is in their hands. I think, but akoy no sigu hogadab sa. The issue has been turned into a community ki problem in one grave. Nasay na shugi haresini. It's a very important. Disarm to Buddha Huziki, Shugi group Sida Kamai Hindel to Dunava. You can think about that only when you have a clarity about Shu's lady later, right? Later got the allegation Namali Moya Wabagi. Iran Sitako. At the ground rule, Jogadi Kadoviri Nutorino. I do not know any enforcer we are going to make Kulai, because I do not see not the Bokamura when for Toto Uriba, video Urimams in Kanano, have a say. Systematically hung Mayaga double questions. I do not name the Shuda clarity, Matota, agreement, they don't come up with it. MP yung hak po mat kala ine ba sige ay oversight function so ine ba privilege aduna president rule gi hoje ki kam uri sa ay mo to dina this could be very deceptive ay mo matung na siya koi da alert oi ba ma changi akoy no da hoje akoy free movement jahandri amalay di na sa ay sum jeng ni small step to tawada ba but biggest danger say community issue on to ki get away sa ma masima di akoy asigi mayo ko le bam thoe I don't see, but they said they are trying, but I said they need to do more. In my principle, you will see throughout this crisis, much before I joined politics, electoral politics, you must have seen me on national TV. I said it's a wrong question. Don't ask me about president rule. I think Rajdeep Sarjesai, I said, Rajdeep, you are asking me a wrong question. Okay, the proxy government is, you are already ruling it via your proxy government here in the state. Then second, my stand has been clear. In principle, I am against president rule. Isagi people na kanjaba lengak chagadawa punsineba koi system sidadi. Adu Delhi na loksan gebyo. Adu na ai Twitter da champuni nungsina. Sisu mayam ubi hawro khangde Facebook da su isagib ne Twitter da su. Mina di mark tawre eba. Lising amaga chanipa no drama thoigi 1891 war where kan the British Parliament the 1 month mukneba Manipur se next over the tawre the loksan ngada loksan debate taweba. Akoy matam akoy Manipur myam ko su khangpon deba. Far away, miles away, some people were discussing about us whether Manipur should be annexed or not. After 1891 war, we were oblivious. Akoy kesu khangau deba natra. Samara na inahibin handak su. Government of India Manipur Sakar loksan zira loksal lo Israel na khana basa Manipur myam ngaina taptai na tummi ba hing side sisu khana leile. Ani makto compare to bune do ai ne even. Well, should be a little more sensitive kind of even. Aduna in principle I am against president rule, but under the constitutional order, moigi responsibility ni amarom the yadre sakar ngam de haradi moina loksal. But this is not supposed to be a permanent solution. Masidai kitang batang sa idang maklarium to joge ko. Article 355 say Ambedkar na kamani introduced Sorunges. It was introduced in the Constituent Assembly as 277A. Karigina si president ko rules ko mari lena do niko. Arbitrary oine hata state government ki power se loksan dana ba yamna rare moment ta loksan na bagi condition na set tokseline ba Article 355 say. Armed rebellion, actually internal disturbance, and external aggression, like Rakanda, constitutional machinery fail or Apodu that the Loksan Anabagi, Wamang Yalam Minu. This is there in Constituent Assembly debate. 277A, I do a final copy, that the 355, won't give one ever. See, historically, Kaitake, the 356A. At the toy na chalai wo haibagi chalai roi da bani haibagi motive se already constitution gi article 355 na hai rin base aduna ne aina haijai aduna sarkar na Delhi na loksal laga su short term the measure targa they should as soon as possible restore people's own rule ako ye miyam na mandate tok jaba sarkar ma leiraga isa na isa rule tok jaga da bne bo ako jiki wailing ni bata wetland conservation conservation and management rules 2017 no sige kene hana le ramba rule mayam do aduna yara aroi ana rule na no sema ineba mang matare hana gi sida leiraga di na rule am sema ineba wetland se no document ati kan thamoi seng kan gaita di Loktak Lamphel part all these things should be notified as wetland under wetland conservation management rule 2017 full stop thamoi seng ga di kan ga government BJP government introduce oine koi ki water body sing je ising gi ken ma je loina mang dore Ganogi among the commercialization of the urbanization of Salatana, the tourism, the Marlon would kitare water bodies in Jena, rules Modi Sarkar Sema neighbor. Adu Semupa rules the Modi Sarkar, the light don't conjuriba, Quisilam, Sakar, and Lock to become the way one ever. Adu chin that they don't can get and gaba. Aduna, Adu you want it. Aduna Sigi, wetland conservation management rule 2007. Loktaku Kanimba. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯠꯀ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯥꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯐꯦꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯩꯗꯐꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯏꯔꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯀꯣꯝꯕꯤꯔꯩꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯂꯝꯐꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯠ ꯀꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯚꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯦꯕꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯀꯟꯒꯦ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯀꯃꯔꯁꯤꯌꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯞꯆꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯁꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯋꯦꯠꯂꯦꯟ ꯀꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ Government of India semaiba Wetland Conservation and Management Rule 2017 makada notify to once notified to my boundary karino. Sida kari tobuya ya di karai digi permission lor kai don sarkar semjo ki dong akte ne bese. Sarkar na masana ngakadaw neba adugi rule di makada ai nga idi haijini notify to ram deva kano se. None Manipur ne water body amta leite bese ki makada notify to. So High Court case, I'm just looking for that paper. You know, there are a couple of issues that I wanted to share. Number one is on President rule, the manner in which it was placed on the floor of the House. I just the press. Ya ba, mo gataw ko. Asa di soy nang live wala din. Okay. Inera. Okay. Ya ba. Okay. Thank you for coming. You know, I wanted to share some of the key issues that were deliberated upon on the floor of the House in Parliament, and some of the issues which develop post the session, Parliament session, particularly those related to my home state. The first one is, you know, what is a little saddening for me as a member of Parliament. There are a couple of incidents that happened during this session. The first one is that what I've noticed is that I knew that the issue of President's rule in Manipur will be placed on the floor of the House because you have to do it, otherwise it will lapse within 2 months. I was expecting that we would deliberate and, you know, people like me would have a chance to speak on the issues, but unfortunately the issue was brought up after a grueling debate on Worker Bill. At 2 it was brought up, and barely for 45 minutes or so discussion, it was passed. I or my colleague, Honorable MP Alfred, did not get a chance to speak. So it is very strange at one level that, you know, the issue is about our home state, my own state, and we are the state representative, and we didn't get an opportunity to speak because the timing was so short and everybody was tired. And strangely, in Rajya Sabha, we have a lone MP from BJP. He also didn't get the opportunity to speak. I mean, he didn't speak. So it's very strange. We have 3 MPs in the Parliament, and there is a discussion on the state of Manipur, and none of us got a chance to express our opinions. I mean, that's a little saddening for me. Besides the fact that it was brought up at such an hour when everybody is asleep and people in the state did not get an opportunity to watch it, nor it didn't get an adequate time to discuss and deliberate it. That's the first issue that about President's rule that I felt. The second one is the manner in which the Government of India, particularly our Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji, spoke. He seems to essentialize the problem as if it is inherent part of the Manipuri society and our state. Just as the colonial scholars and rulers used to think that communalism in India is an essential part of the Indian society, it has nothing to do with the colonial rule or colonial process. A lot of scholars have said that, you know, communalism is a byproduct of the colonial process. It's not something inherent or essential to Indian society. Unfortunately, the Government of India seems to take that kind of unfortunate positions like the colonial epistemology. They think that it is an inherent part of our society. He says, you know, that Kuki, Naga and so many people died, and as if it is inherent. They forget that the so-called ethnic conflict in India's northeast, not only in Manipur, is a byproduct of the colonial process of the colonial state as well as post-colonial Indian state. It is directly linked to counter-insurgency measures by the Indian state as well. So, but instead of looking at this, and present crisis is also clearly a byproduct of a failure of governance, inability to enforce constitutional provisions and protect the lives and property of the people. But you have converted, it's like victimizing the victim. The people of the state is a victim, but you think that, it is your problem, it is inherent in you. Rather than saying that why is the government of India did not protect the life and liberty, which is a constitutional obligation. There is a government, there is an armed forces, there is police forces, there is law enforcing agencies and court. Why is that you are not able to do it? Those issues have been brushed aside and you have turned it into an issue inherent to the people and so on. This is very unfortunate. The other issue that is linked to this is, we are not aware still. The people are completely oblivious of whether there is suspension of operation with the Kuki armed groups is still continuing or not. So when you think about disarmament or disarming people, there has to be a clarity on this issue. Since 29th February 2024, nobody knows whether there is still that suspension operation is still in place or has been abrogated. We don't know. But this has a crucial link to the question of disarming and addressing this conflict. Because if they are still under that particular agreement, then you should look into this series of allegations of the involvement of these groups in this current crisis. Because it is against the agreement in that. If it is not, then, the government should crack down. So, both ways, we need to have a clarity on whether there is a suspension of operation still with these Kuki armed groups. So I raised questions related to that. I wanted to know what are the agreements signed by the government of India with armed groups. We know NACNIM has an agreement, for instance. So what are the other agreements? We wanted information. I asked these questions. And has it been renewed or extended in the recent times? These questions were raised, and my name was balloted. And when the actual day comes when the question appeared, my name was removed. And I have talked to the Speaker and the Secretary General. I have raised these issues. This is not a normal thing that happens in parliamentary practices. It's very rare. And the rules under which it was suspended, but the way they have given, ultimately after the session I got it, they said it is national secret. But everybody knows NACNIM is extended, it's been renewed. That's the simple question. There is no national secret about these questions. But unfortunate that I didn't get an opportunity to seek clarification on this. But I think we must press more. Whether the shoe is still in place or not, this is everybody deserves. This is a fundamental right to information of the citizens because it concerns with their life. This is the other issues that I've experienced during this session. There is another that in Manipur, anybody who has visited our state will know about Loktak Lake. This is the biggest freshwater lake in the in eastern India. It is under threat for many decades because of unregulated activities and so on. So there's this rule, Wetlands Conservation and Management Rule 2017, by the Government of India to protect these water bodies. But strange it may seem, well, people talk about saving water bodies in Manipur like Loktak Lake, but it has not been notified under the wetlands, this rule. So therefore, this is the other key issues that I think in Manipur we have it. The other is Waqf Board, which is, I truly believe, like my party, it is against our constitutional provisions, such as right to equality before law, Article 14 of the Constitution. And also it's not seeking reformation. It is more like trying to corner and threaten the minority. And, today it may be Muslims, it may be other religious property of the Christians and so on. So I think this is a bad precedent. I think our party has already taken decisions to contest it in the court of law, which is a legitimate steps that we have to take to defend our constitution. So the last issue that this is post the developments after the parliamentary session is the charge sheet, so-called charge sheet of Sonia ji and Rahul ji on this. it's strange. They are talking about profits in a company which was registered under Section 25, which is presently under 2013 amendment is Section 8. Where you can't even share dividends, you can't pay dividend to the shareholders and those companies which is registered under Section 25. But they are just trying to create this narrative, to sustain a narrative that Congress is corrupt and so on. It will not face the legal scrutiny, and it is to intimidate, nothing else. And then to sustain this narrative, and it is a diversion from the critical issues they have faced on the work than others. So I think one must be very cautious that just as in Manipur, once you do not care of the constitutional order and you try to essentialize it as a community's problem, a lot of our constitutional ethos and political culture in this country has been changing, not for the better, for the worse. It's a threat to the country. That's the general feeling that I have. These are some of the issues. That's why I called the press conference today. Thank you.
Sir, you have already stated that there is no official wetland in Manipur.
It's not notified under that rule.
Yeah, under that rule. But how do you see
Look at it. They don't use the word wetland. They say water bodies. Under that rule, it should be notified as a wetland under Wetland Conservation and Management Rules 2017.
So how do you see the rejuvenation work ongoing in Loktak and Isla Kolkata?
This will, that experts have said it. That will go into a long one. We'll have a separate meeting on that. Once you have declared it as a wetland, then many of these activities will be stopped. Because it is in the name of, the basic purpose of introducing this rule in 2017 is to protect these water bodies from, in the name of development, tourism, and so on and so forth. People are trying to commercialize and destroy these natural resources. That is the purpose why this rule was introduced by Modi government. And surprisingly, we talk about it, but we don't. But if you have introduced as a wetland under that, many of these activities will stop. Today they are saying that certain parts of Loktak, which we are familiar with, are not part of Loktak. So the way they define technically, so Loktak will die if you go on like this. Is Sendra part of Loktak? Ask anybody. Under the wetland, there's no way you can say that this is not part. It is, like we know, it is part. Thanga is part of it, Karang is part of it, Sendra is part of it. But slowly, legally these guys are going to say that this is not part of Loktak. So slowly they are removing. That part is not Loktak. You realize when you go to Sendra on the right side, that is not Loktak. Now that's how they are going to do it. Slowly they are going to declare. So what is Loktak? It will be like a pond somewhere, then it will be commercialized, and then the Loktak Lake is a water reservoir that we have. In Manipuri, it is called the navel of our, when you have this cosmological imagination. In Manipuri, we call it Khoidau. It is very crucial for our civilizational heritage. Lampel.
And how do you see the rejuvenation project?
That's what I am saying.
But how do you see the rejuvenation project?
That is what it's going to destroy. You're going to make a pond out of a lake.
And one thing is that Loktak is under the Ramsar site.
No, there are rules. In this state, Ramsar is another thing. There also you check the document. Our state is in that sense, I'm sorry to say this, it's a strange place.
So let's come back to the political scenario. Around almost 2 months, the present rules imposed in Manipur, but security forces are actively acting at the Valley district, but very much lack at the Hill district. So how will you see, because all the rules and all the law and order situation have been controlled by the center?
I think, until and unless we have a free movement and these IDPs are not able to return homes, never ever we should think that we are normal. The peace has returned to the state. Until these two conditions are not satisfied, the issue is still alive, number one. We should not forget that. And I have insisted right from the day one that when you crack down on the armed groups, it should be done judiciously. It should not be seen as a partisan activity. Certain communities have been targeted and some others not. That feeling should not be given. As unfortunately, that feeling has been given. That's the impression that you are telling me right now. I have heard a lot of people saying about it. And it is in relation to that, that's what I'm saying, we need to have a clarity on SUE, whether the suspension operation is still in place or not.
And sir, regarding the border fencing in Manipur, yes, the PRO have been conducting the border fencing, but meanwhile, lots of illegal immigrants have been right now even entering the state. And yes, there is a threat to the indigenous people. Recently, a Marine individual have been assaulted by the illegal immigrants who have been entered into Manipur, particularly at the border pillar 82. And biometrics have been collected for 290 people, but more than 700 illegal immigrants have been presently there, but no proper action have been taken. Yes, there is Assam rifle, but still no proper action have been taken. Now, indigenous people are becoming threat who have been living at the peripheral area, at the border. So how will you see this?
See, first of all, I have said this, as a border area, as a porous border, it's a legacy issues that, infiltration and that. So I think there is enough indication that we have an issue of illegal immigrants, and demographic dynamics is alarming in that sense. There is certain twisted nature of the demographic character in the state. So I have insisted that we should be instituting a proper, judicious legal channel to delineate citizens from non-citizens. That's a must. And in the meantime, I think we should also realize that how various institutions are implicated in this. In the long run, this is a key issue that we need to resolve. But at the moment, what ought to be done is that by keeping this kind of a conflict and, stopping people from moving from one place to another, behind it they are trying to naturalize and normalize this division. So I think that is a far more greater threat right now. We have been talking about the integrity of the state. People are trying to normalize a division of the state right now. I think so when we talk about illegal immigrants, nobody should have a doubt that we have an issue of a demographic character which needs to be addressed judiciously, but at the same time, this should not be used to blind us from the fact that right now, as of now, we have faced a situation where they are trying to normalize this division. That must be addressed first. Then this should be followed with proper measures to delineate the citizens and non-citizens and do the necessary things.
Sir, one last question is, as you know that a few BJP MPs have accused the Supreme Court's Chief Justice of India of inciting civil wars in the country, and also they accuse that most of the Supreme Court is actually responsible for inciting religious war in the country. So do you have any comment on that?
I have only one comment to make it. The constitutional mechanisms has been attacked left and right by this BJP-led government since they have done. I have said this on the floor of the House. They have tried to tweak the constitutions everywhere. So I think attacking judiciary is also one of the very unfortunate part. Don't think that it is going to be a one-party rule. It's a democracy, it's a parliamentary democracy, and we have the separation of power, the judiciary, the legislature, and the executive. And you can't just attack the institution. This is an assault on the constitutional scheme of things. And you think that one party knows everything, one party is the true patriot, and we will rule everything. That's authoritarianism, nothing else. I think so. I don't agree with this. Every institution has its own weakness, but it doesn't mean that you can attack left and right and subvert that institution. So I don't agree. I think for them it is a part of their political ethos right now.